one of the sureties of today is the RDC of Kasese. He is the chairman of security. And he has come here, my Lord, to ask you kindly give him the applicants. So if, my Lord, you cannot give the RDC these applicants, who is going to be the prison himself to lead to manage them? Who else would be substantial? So the RDC here is the chairman security, is going to manage the applicants.
Because of this evidence, because of this overwhelming evidence, the applicants, when released on bail, will automatically interfere with our witnesses. Your Lordship, we take note of the fact that fellow co-accused, 132 of their co-accused were released on bail by this honorable court. Your Lordship, this was done carefully. This was done carefully after scrutinizing both the evidence and the security situation. After scrutinizing both the evidence and the security situation, Your Lordship, it was deemed that the 132 applicants who obtained bail were not a threat to security. Your Lordship, as opposed to the 132 applicants, it is our submission that the current applicants in court, the 48 applicants, are a threat to the security in the Rwenzori region.
Kyetubaddeko kibadde kya buyima. Twasaba abantu baffe babeeyimirire ne kooti ebayimbule ku kakalo ka kooti. Kyetubaddeko leero okuva ssaawa 3 ez'okumakya okutuusa ne kakati ssaawa 11. Kati omulamuzi kyasazeewo kwe kugamba nti empapula ezimu n'ezimu ze tubadde twogerako nga tetulina kopi zaazo tuziteekemu nga okulwokuna lugenda okuziba nga empapula ezo ziri ku fayiro ku saidi zizombi. Tulina emisango egimu gye tubadde twogerako naye nga tetulina copies. Kusalawo agambye tagenda kutuweereza lunaku, ndowooza agenda kusooka kuwandiika. Bw'alimaliriza okuwandiika ensala agenda kutugamba olunaku lwe tulijja wano tuwulirize engeri ki gy'asazeemu okusaba kwaffe.
If he leaves tonight, my Lord, then he can be able to send them to me Wednesday. It stays in the Mukomera. And that's where the file is. So Thursday, my Lord. Thursday, I will send it to me.
So